Hey guys, so welcome to another interesting webinar on Meta's event restriction on health and wellness plans. So let me introduce myself. I'm Shalini, I'm a content marketer in CustomerLabs. And today I have with me Indu, our product manager, and Gautam, our leading our marketing team.
Hi,
So,
Shalini.
hi Indu, hi Gautam.
Hi.
So today we are going to discuss about everything about the restriction that Meta is doing on the health and wellness plans. Okay, so we all know that events are getting restricted, but this is all of a sudden, right? And marketers are like running here and there how to face the issue. They don't know what exactly to do. Even some they know, but they don't know how to implement it.
Yeah.
So let's talk more into it. Okay. So Gautam, can you tell me why all this happening all of a sudden? And I probably think this is the question that is raising in many of the marketers' mind. So can you explain?
Yeah, Shalini. I mean, you're the one who also wrote the blog on Meta's health and wellness. So, like, you already know a few pointers, like why this is happening or what is actually happening. Oh, by the way, a tip for everyone who's viewing, Indo here is gonna show a single toggle on where you can comply your business with Meta Health and Wellness. I'm just plugging in now. Just stay with her till the end, and she'll definitely help you out there. Anyways, so coming back to our discussion. So, Shalini, what's happening is Meta has something called core setup. So, according to core setup, what Meta is trying to restrict or trying to contain is it is telling marketers or businesses that, hey, look, see, I do not want to get into trouble. And I do not want you to send me data which is completely, you know, uh, completely in a way where it gives me context. For example, a prohibited information such as health and wellness, especially why? Because uh, data about a person's mental health, physical health, all of this should not be shared with Meta. Even if you get consent from your patient or from your customers, you should not send this data because Meta algorithms are so advanced that they can easily find out and relate with the people with their health data. And according to the privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, all of these, they clearly tell that this health information, especially as per HIPAA, the health information should not be shared with Meta's algorithms. Because of this, Meta has brought in the restrictions it is placing on health and business. So today it is health and wellness business, but tomorrow it might be something else. Whoever is sending this prohibited information, Meta has shared a documentation where it mentions the industries, or not the industries actually, but certain keywords like prohibited information. So if you're sending the data, be cautious. Your industry might be taking a hit. For example, financial details might be next. We don't know. Anyways, so this is what is happening, Shalini. So if you ask me in crux, in one line, tell me, Gautam, what it is happening. One, do not send the PHI even if the consent is given or consent is taken from your users. Two, if you're sending PII information like the name, email ID, phone number, hash it in SHA 256 and send it to Meta. So this is what in crux is.
Okay, great, Gautam. So we all have to embrace the user's privacy. I think that is Meta's rule one now, right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for the marketers, I think they are right now thinking that this is the end game and I cannot send lower funnel events. That's it. And then right now the focus is like shifting towards optimizing the campaigns for top funnel events. So I have no other go. Then they are stuck again. So we understand all these technicalities and how it affects the marketers on theory. We're able to understand that. But we need more insights on how it can be applied practically. So,
Okay.
Hindu, can you tell me how marketers can face these restrictions effectively using our 1PDOS platform like CustomerLabs?
Hi, Shalini. Yes, sure. I guess I'll show you a short demo of what we are doing. So, like typically what Gautam said, that's right. We'll not be able to send few events via Meta, and also we'll be not able to send the PHI information, and we'll have to hash the PII information. So that's exactly what we are doing. So let me just show you a short demo.
So this is the plug I was giving you in the beginning, Shalini. So this is where Indu will show her magic,
Yeah,
the
exactly.
magic thing.
Okay.
So yeah,
Okay, so yeah, I guess the screen is visible, right?
yes, Indu.
Perfect. So we have introduced a toggle, especially for the meta integration, where you can switch it on and off based on your requirement. And when you switch it on, it'll have a similar screen. And okay, once you do this, you will be able to scrub off your PHI and hash the PII using the SHA 256 encryption thing. And also, you will be able to send few events which is being restricted by Meta with a similar name. You can have a name called added to cart can be ATC21, something like that. So that can also be handled. So you can view it as here. Let me just
Oh, I forgot to mention this. So, Shalini, whenever you send the data to Meta, you will also have to change the event name. So, custom events which you're sending, do not make it evident. Do not make it like a book appointment and give cardiology or something. So, there the event name has to be changed basically. It can be very generic name like Indu was mentioning, event 01 or T01, something, whatever that is helping you understand what that event is. And inside the event, the data that you send should not contain these things. And if you're having a URL, you have to have only the domain name, not the slug and all, because slug might contain the information, health information like cardiology appointment book, something like that, because they do it for SEO purposes, like you're SEO into SEO, so but here they cannot do that. And along with that, they should remove Meta's pixel from the website, because Pixel will also get the data, event data. So they will have the URL slug, which also it collects. So that also will be pulled by Meta. So that's why this also should be changed. And yeah, so Indu was showing something about events. So yeah,
Yes.
continue. Indu.
So-
I'm sorry for watching it.
No problem at all. So, okay, so what we typically do with CustomerLabs is that we'll have the data inputted from a source, we'll process it, and we'll be sending it to Meta. Okay, so we were saying that we'll be hashing the information, PII information, right? So you can view that in CustomerLabs itself, whether on how it's being hashed or what essential data that will be sent to the destination and all. So let me show that screen. We have something called monitoring logs, where you'll be able to see all the destination logs. Okay. So if you're going to click the Facebook destination, we'll have all the events that is being sent to Facebook. So when you click on view details, you will have this particular screen popping up.
Okay.
Where if you go to this particular tab of destination requested data, you could see the data here, right? So you have the country, email, user data, especially the PII. These will be hashed. And
Okay.
only the custom data, this array, right, and this object, only this will be sent to, only the actual data in the custom data will be sent to Meta. So
Okay.
this is what we are typically doing.
Okay. So I also saw Gautam and Vishnu's video on YouTube, right? On how these event names can be changed with the toggle on. So that this is that, right?
You can change it using callback functions. We have a feature called callback functions where you will be able to change a particular function with a code editor to another function. So with the help of our support team, you'll be able to do it, and that hardly takes 2 minutes of your time.
Okay. I think
Can you show us that, Indu? Like, I'm just curious.
Okay, let me just show you that demo as well. So here you could see, right? Here, when you go to the destinations, you have something called setup event workflow. Okay, so all the events will be displayed on your left-hand side, and you'll be able to enable and disable on your server side and client side. Okay,
With just a toggle on.
yes, just a toggle on. So if you're going to click this code symbol, you'll have a script to be written.
Okay.
Here. So here you could change the event name from added to cart to ATC.
Okay.
Just a single word, just P2 dot something, you will have to change and it will be up.
So now, just asking you. So here, should I change P2 dot products completely, or should I just change the word products? I don't understand this function. I'm sorry, I'm a layman. I'm not a developer.
Just like not many marketers are very proficient with the coding part. Okay, so if you're going to just tell us the name, we'll be able to embed it and.
But I want to do it for myself. So then, what should I do?
I guess you just contact support and do it for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Anyways,
we're not telling the secrets now. Just call
Yeah,
us.
we don't want to reveal all the secrets.
Yeah.
okay. Cool.
So yeah, Gautam. So it's like just a simple one-liner code, you'll be able to have your own event. And we'll also be able to verify it in person in the system, and we'll be able to send it as well to the Meta.
Okay. So I need not again go and create the event in Facebook, right?
Right. Yes.
Okay.
If you're going to have it put it here, you'll be able to enable it in the previous section in here.
Okay.
It's good to go into Meta.
Okay, cool.
I
So
think this is going to save a lot of time and energy for the marketers.
yeah, because anyways, Shalini might know this, or generally what people were thinking was when they have to create an event in Facebook and then also push it to CustomerLabs. That's what they were thinking. So just asking you for confirmation that they need not go and create an event in Facebook, right?
Yes, I guess all are a single toggle on. Okay, you
Okay.
you wanted to have the Meta health and wellness restriction. It's a single toggle.
You
Okay.
mean to get the restriction, you have to toggle on?
I mean, like to enable you're
Okay.
having a better data sent to the Meta, you have
Okay.
to have a toggle on.
Be
Yeah.
business then. This toggle on.
And
Okay.
also, even to send the particular event to the Meta, it's just a single toggle on.
Okay.
So that's it.
It's in your hand basically. Okay.
Great.
So yeah, that is actually great, Hindu. Thank you so much for those insights.
Yeah, really,
I
thank you,
think
Indu.
now marketers will be relieved. I found a way, something like that. Okay, so moving back to Gautam.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What did I do now?
Ask some few interesting queries that the marketers can relate to. Okay.
Okay.
So you've been handling few of your clients' queries, right? You've been attending certain demos and you've been doing separately. So what is the most interesting or the common query that the marketers or the clients come up with?
Okay. So Shalini, the major problem here is there is no official release by Meta regarding this. That's where the chaos is. So people are, when I see people asking questions on LinkedIn or even on our calls, when I interact with them through our calls, the concern that they put forward is they are thinking now that they cannot send the bottom funnel, they are searching how they can send the top funnel events and track for the campaigns. For example, they want to track scroll view inside Facebook ads. They want to track certain events, top funnel events, the page view, button click, all of these inside Meta ads. But what they are not realizing is they can still do the bottom funnel this thing by thanks to our Indu, thanks to 1PD Ops, we are able to still do this. So that's the major concern that I've been seeing, Shalin, number one, wherein they're thinking only top funnel events should be optimized. But no, that's not how Meta's algorithms work. And everyone understands that, knows that logic, but they're not ready to accept because they don't have a solution. They're thinking that's the only solution.
Yeah,
But
they are only talking about or like optimize your campaigns for top funnel.
exactly.
We are the only people who are telling about no, you can still do it. You can still do. Stop freaking out.
Yeah.
Just listen to us. We are
Correct.
the only ones telling that.
Yes, so that's the major number one thing that I'm looking at. Second thing which I'm also looking at is some lost hopes. I've seen people frown on LinkedIn where they tell, I don't know what to do now. My ad account is blocked. My money is gone. My business is gone. What do I do now? But that's a sad thing that they are not aware of these things. That's the reason we are doing as much as awareness programs through webinars, through our videos, through our blogs, and all of that. I hope this will reach to every single person who's facing this issue. Probably our video team might help us put this into shorts and increase the reach or something. But yeah, basically, this is what it is: lack of awareness and lack of clarification from Meta's side. And there are not many 1PD ops platforms out there which are helping out people or businesses or brands in health and wellness to overcome this. So that's one thing. And third thing that I also see, Shalini, is especially this is happening with respect to marketers in India. They're sitting relaxed because today they did not get a what do you call warning in their ad account.
Yeah,
They are
I
thinking
also see some marketers saying that, oh, my business is totally cool. I'm also on
Exactly.
wellness, but I'm still in the right zone.
Yeah, they're relaxing.
Yeah.
But what they have to realize is they have to adapt to 1PD ops because the future is going to be first party data. The future is going to be 1PD ops. The future is very privacy compliant. Users want privacy, but they also want personalization. That is where this 1PD ops comes in, wherein we are helping the users and the ad platforms by protecting their privacy. That is what is first party data. consented first party data, sending it to ad platforms to use it in a very anonymized way, so that algorithms do not know and overpower, and the people are not facing these concerns or issues of privacy with regard to privacy.
Yeah. So it's a lot to take in actually, because not many people are into first party data. Only now these Meta and Google all are emphasizing like move to first party data, move to first party data.
Correct.
So only now people are searching, okay, what is first party data? Go let me go check it. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think marketers should get more awareness about what is first party data and how to use it effectively, and then how we come in and then handle everything for them, so that they can really sit and relax instead of saying like I'm not getting flagged now. They can really
Yeah.
sit and relax with us. I think that they should understand that.
Yes, Shalin. That is why, in India, we are soon, I mean, but yeah,
Yeah.
on March 21st in Gurgaon, we are coming there, bringing in experts who are actually talking about these issues and how to be prepared for the future. The future is first party data, the future of marketing, the future of advertising is first party data. And we are going to speak one full day focused on this theme, parallelly for e-commerce and lead gen, where we talk about very hands-on strategies from people who are not speakers actually. We are pulling them to share this knowledge with marketers. So this is going to be held in Gurgaon in India, 21st of March. Wherever you are in India, fly down to Gurgaon on 21st of March to witness this. I'll probably, there's a plug, but I'll just drop the link for registration in the comments. You should definitely attend that event. Whoever is wanting to know about these to be prepared for the future with first party ops or 1PD ops.
Yeah, if I wouldn't miss it like for the world. I should be prepared for what's next.
Yep.
Whatever the policies or even they are going to restrict, I should be aware of it. And because I'm answerable, right? So as the marketers and so are you, right? So yeah. Anything to add on?
Probably Indu, do you have any specific things that you want to tell? Basically, maybe consent or something else?
Yes, actually, when you were mentioning about the consented data, right? So I thought now we are compliant with the Meta's policies. Okay. And also recently we had a chat about the LDU and all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So something like Facebook has LDU. Okay. And I guess few other things have their own consent management systems and all. So with CustomerLabs, you'll be able to have a single consent platform, where you will be able to send consented data to all destinations. So that's one thing that I guess we can talk about in the next webinar, maybe.
Yeah, definitely. This is something that is relevant, Indu. I mean, we being the pioneers of 1PD ops, we should definitely talk about consent related settings and all of this, how it will help marketers. And again, I know definitely you're going to come and tell, hey Gautam, it's just a toggle on. Hey Gautam, it's a toggle on. But please come prepared to show me what happens in the background and how do you comply very much.
I guess that's also not a toggle on, but you'll be able to have it in a single roof or a single screen. So we have one toggle, one screen, all one kind of solution.
1PD ops.
Yes, 1PD ops again.
Wow. What a beautiful, coincidence or whatever that is. We all come in one place. So again, that is again one.
1PD ops.
Okay.
One room.
Yeah.
We are sitting right now.
One.
Yeah.
I think we already are, what's the next topic webinar? We already sorted it. It's not like only our product is futuristic. I think we are also in that level right now.
Yeah. And when you're telling about this, something just popped up in my mind, Shalini. So basically, everyone should be prepared with this ever evolving changes that's coming up. So they should be prepared to tackle whatever is gonna come. So we are making them prepared, basically helping them to be prepared. So that's what we are trying to do here. So that's what 1PD Ops is trying to do with respect to marketers. We are helping them.
Yeah. I believe it's high time like they think about what they are actually, focusing on. Like instead of creatives and just copies, I think they have to think about their data strategy first as a marketer moving forward into the future, because everything is becoming AI and you have to have control, and you have to have control on your own data instead of relying on it, right? That makes perfect sense. I think this session would have been like very, very interesting for the marketers. I
Yeah.
believe.
To summarize, one click, meta health and wellness restrictions solved for you.
Yeah, exactly. That will be the tagline that we are going to use.
That's the title as well.
Yeah. And also we have a hook for the next webinar.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
thank you so much, Shalini, for inviting us.
yeah, thank you so much for all the insights. It was like new to me as well. Okay, so I'm enlightened. So, guys, you also, if you have any queries related to Meta's health and wellness restrictions, we all are on the deck. You can just reach out to us. You know where to find us. Gautam is on LinkedIn already. Is very active. I'm telling you guys. So just go reach out to him. Hindu, me, anytime. So just we are having our sales team very actively performing in that area as well. So you can just request a demo or just speak to our 1PD Ops expert.
They can just join the 1PD Ops club,
Yeah,
Shalini,
we
and
also
everyone's
have a
there.
club for you.
Yeah.
Exclusively, we have a club for you. So we'll just link all the details, resources that you should, be looking into regarding this meta health and wellness restrictions. So until next time, we'll also be coming up with another interesting webinar. So just stay tuned. If you have any queries, let us know in the comment section. Okay. Until the next time. Bye.
Bye again.
Bye.
Bye.